Today that the city of Mobile plans to increase health insurance premiums for employees and retirees.
Many workers are enraged at the thought of, in effect, taking a pay cut. Here are the numbers from city leaders.
John Young is a police officer with the city of Mobile. Young said the department got word today of an increase in what city workers pay for health insurance. He says enough is enough.
They continue to choose the city employees to take from and never give to.
Young says there have been no raises for 6 years, that salaries at the police department are dramatically lower than other neighboring cities. He says none of this was taken into consideration by city officials.
Just on the surface, just the way it was done, when it was presented or discussed, and the vote coming Tuesday, it wouldn't take too much for anyone to conclude that it was done. It was trying to be rushed through.
Members of the city council and the mayor's office say that this increase has been in the works and that increasing the premiums was one of the suggestions by the Citizen Finance Review Committee. But both the mayor and those with the city council aren't necessarily agreeing with what the committee suggested. Here's a look at the numbers. This is what city employees are paying right now for insurance. Both current and retirees are paying these amounts. This is what the Citizen Finance Committee suggested. Look at the increase from what's being paid now. Retirees would have to pay even more. You can also see what is in Mayor Sam Jones' city budget. There's a 4% increase in insurance premiums, but not as much as the Citizen Finance Committee suggested. With Jones' proposal, retirees would also pay more than current employees. Both the mayor's office and several members of the city council say an increase in insurance premiums is almost unavoidable. But how much is the question? Either way, voices are sure to be heard come Tuesday.
Since we weren't allowed to voice our opinions before, we're going to show up. We're going to show you. We want you to look us in our face and tell us that you're really going to increase our insurance.
Young says he heard this insurance premium increase vote was going to happen with or without the renewal of the 1-cent sales tax suggested by Mayor Sam Jones.
Young says many city workers, including police officers, those with the fire department and public works, will be present for the council meeting Tuesday. The budget could be voted on or it could be held over, depending on the council vote.